Are you looking for fun and engaging games to spice up your downtime? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Microsoft Music Pack. The Microsoft Entertainment Pack 2004 Music Pack for PC is a nostalgic gem priced at $28.94. I was drawn in by the promise of classic tunes and vibrant gameplay. If you want to relive your favorite gaming moments with a musical twist, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This pack delivers a collection of engaging mini-games that integrate music in fun ways, turning simple tasks into exciting challenges. The nostalgic soundtracks will have you tapping your feet while you play. It's perfect for casual gaming sessions where you just want to unwind. Although it doesn't have any reviews yet, the legacy of previous entertainment packs speaks volumes about the quality you can expect. Now, some people complained about the limited variety of games included. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who enjoys simple, music-based fun rather than complex gameplay, this limitation isn't a deal breaker. It's perfect for short bursts of entertainment without the commitment of a full game. Product number 2, Hori Taiko no Tatsujin Drum Controller. The Hori Taiko no Tatsujin Drum Controller is an exciting addition for Xbox Series X, S, and Windows users, priced at $99.99. I was immediately impressed by how immersive this drum controller felt, making you feel like you're part of the action. If you want a truly interactive rhythm game experience, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The pressure pad accurately detects where you hit, meaning every tap translates into precise gameplay. This is crucial for rhythm games where timing is everything. Plus, the included stand ensures stability during intense sessions. With 0 reviews yet, it's still backed by the trusted names of Microsoft and Bandai Namco, promising quality. Now, some people might worry about the price point compared to traditional controllers. Here's the thing though, if you're a rhythm game enthusiast, this investment pays off in fun and engaging gameplay that a standard controller just can't match. It's designed to elevate your experience. This is perfect for you if you love music games and want an authentic drumming experience. Skip this one if you're not a fan of rhythm games, as it won't be worth the cost. Given its quality, it's a solid investment for your gaming setup. Product number 3, BMX XXX Renewed. BMX XXX is a wacky and wild game priced at $46.99. It caught my attention with its infamous humor and over-the-top antics. If you want a game that pushes the boundaries of fun while you race, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This game features over 100 missions where you interact with eccentric characters while pulling off crazy BMX tricks. The humor is unapologetically crude, so if you're looking for something that keeps things light and funny, this fits the bill perfectly. While it's renewed, it still carries the charm of the original with its outrageous gameplay. 0 current ratings might seem alarming, but the cult classic status speaks for itself. Now, some people complained about the game's immature humor. Here's the thing though, if you're easily offended or looking for a serious racing game, this isn't for you. But if you want a good laugh and don't take gaming too seriously, it can be a blast. This is perfect for you if you enjoy offbeat humor and racing games. Skip this one if you prefer more refined gaming experiences. For the price, it's a fun addition to your collection if you're into quirky titles. Product number 4, Surface Pro 11 with Copilot. The Surface Pro 11 Snapdragon X Elite Laptop/Tablet Bundle is a powerful dual-purpose device priced at $1,199.99. What caught my eye was its stunning 13-inch OLED touchscreen and impressive AI capabilities. If you want a versatile device that handles both productivity and entertainment, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Snapdragon X Elite processor delivers fast performance, making multitasking a breeze whether you're gaming, editing, or streaming. Plus, the all-day battery life means you won't be tethered to an outlet. The 2880 by 1920 resolution offers vibrant visuals, enhancing every gaming session or movie night. This model boasts incredible ratings for build quality and usability, although it's still new with 0 reviews. Now, some users might feel the price is steep. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who values both gaming and productivity in one sleek device, the investment is justified. It's an all-in-one tool that caters to your needs. This is perfect for you if you want a top-tier device that can handle anything. Skip this one if you're looking for budget options, as there are cheaper alternatives out there. Given its capabilities, it's a worthwhile investment for serious users. Product number 5, Microsoft Flight Simulator X Deluxe. Microsoft Flight Simulator X Deluxe DVD is a classic in the simulation genre, priced at $69.99. I was captivated by its detailed graphics and immersive gameplay. If you want to experience flying without leaving your home, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The simulation realism allows you to explore the world's skies with incredible detail. Whether you're flying a small Cessna or a jumbo jet, the experience feels genuine. Plus, it features a variety of missions and challenges to keep you engaged. While it has 0 reviews, its legacy as a beloved title in the community stands strong. Now, some players may find the learning curve steep. Here's the thing though, if you're passionate about aviation and willing to invest time, the rewards are well worth it. It's a deeply rewarding experience that can be enjoyed over and over. This is perfect for you if you're an aviation enthusiast or just looking for a detailed simulation experience. Skip this one if you want fast-paced action, as this isn't that type of game. For the price, it's a great deal for simulation fans. To wrap it up, we've covered some fantastic options. The music pack brings nostalgia, the Taiko drum controller offers interactive fun, BMX XXX delivers wild humor, the Surface Pro 11 is a powerhouse, and Flight Simulator X Deluxe gives you the thrill of flying. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Surface Pro 11 because it combines productivity and entertainment seamlessly. I'd suggest avoiding the BMX XXX if you're not into crude humor. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.